Today I'm going to talk to you about 6 common problems my team and I see on every job site throughout the country about fall protection and elevated work. My name is Kevin Muldoon. I am Product Manager for Fall Protection at Mazzella Companies. I am here today to talk to you about the 6 common problems that are on job sites across the country my team and I uncover daily. The first common problem my team and I see is a job site analysis, the lack of one. And basically what it is how you're going to do what you're going to do safely. Now you may be thinking, you don't have one? Ask your boss. Because if you're working at height, you need one, because it's going to identify the hazard that you're going to be coming across and how you're going to either control or eliminate that hazard. It's important, because if you don't start your job safe, you're not going to end safe. The second most common problem with fall protection is the lack of selecting the proper equipment for the job. Let's talk about roofing. Roofing is really a common application. There's a lot of guys replacing roofs in the summer and even in the winter. And basically what they would require to be 6 feet of the leading edge is a guardrail system. You may or may not know that there's a hierarchy of controls with fall protection. The first is trying to eliminate it. The second is a passive control or a guardrail system preventing you from going to the hazard. There's also fall restraint, which is also a protective measure to prevent you from going to the hazard. Again, if it prevents you from going to the hazard doesn't exist, you eliminated it. But if you can't eliminate it, there's fall arrest. And arrest means that if you fall, the system that you have is going to arrest you from actually hitting the ground or obstructing something else. And then if you can't arrest the fall, there's administrative controls, which are very extensive and needs a professional engineer to do. The third most common problem with fall protection is lack of training. And in my 30 years, the biggest change has been that OSHA came down in 2017 that you have to have fall protection training. It's mandated, it's a must, or you will be cited. Anyone working that has not been trained at height could be cited today. The fourth most common problem with fall protection is improper use of equipment. Now let's just say that you're 2 days on the job and your employer hands you a harness and he says, put it on, I need you to work 12 feet in the air. You have a decision to make, whether to put the harness on or give it back to him and say, I haven't been trained and I don't know how to put this on and I really am uncomfortable doing it. That would probably be the smartest play. But remember, your safety is your responsibility, no one else's. The fifth most common problem with fall protection is inspections. Inspections are important because you have to do it before each use. Why? Because you're responsible for your own safety. And in doing that, you have to follow the manufacturer specifications. They will tell you specifically what to look for, whether it be a harness, a rope grab, a lanyard, a body protection device, any device at all. That's what you need to look for. The sixth most common problem with fall protection is lack of rescue planning, or even thinking about a rescue at all. So you fall. What do? Does somebody get you down, or do you get yourself down? Those are 2 basic means of getting down. So do you have a plan? And do you know that plan? Has somebody communicated that to you? Has it been written down? You really need this, or you shouldn't really start work. Hopefully we help you understand the 6 common problems with fall protection. And if you have any other questions, please visit our website at www.mazzellacompanies.com. Thank you very much.